Hey everyone, this is Daryl from Daily Crypto Trade News coming to you live from Vietnam, guys. Wow, I've got the sunglasses on. We're seeing that the markets are crashing, the markets are going down, the markets are tanking, guys. So are you guys in panic mode? We're seeing that Ethereum is bleeding out like crazy, guys. Absolute carnage, absolute devastation out there. So you guys, should you be worried? Should you be panicking? What the WTF is going on out there with the crypto markets? And is all over? Are we finished? Is crypto dead? Are we going down, guys? We're going to talk about that and much more. And I'm going to tell you what I think is going to happen. I'm going to tell you when we're going to recover, if we're going to recover. So if that sounds interesting, let's go down the crypto rabbit hole with the OG together. Remember, none of this is financial advice. It's just an OG in-house. So right now, if I take a look at the heat map in the house, everything is looking pretty bad, guys. Everything looking red everywhere, guys. We're seeing Ethereum is in deep red. And we're seeing right now that the fear and greed index in the house is also at 12, guys. And remember, this is the time to be buying the fear, guys. And when everybody's scared, when everybody's running for the hills, what you should absolutely be doing out there is you should be doing absolutely nothing. And remember, if you have money on the side, this is a good time to DCA. Don't put all your money in right now, all at one time, guys. That is a big mistake. What you want to do is you want to ladder your buys at, 5% intervals on the way down. And remember, never ever invest more than you're willing to lose, guys. So don't forget about that. Remember, some of you guys are going to ape in like crazy. But, like I said, from my perspective, from my absolute perspective out there, I'm looking at, Bitcoin right now is at $28,784. And we have broken down below our $29,000 support level. So that is not good in the house, guys. But from my perspective, I still think that the lowest lows, as I said in my previous video, is going to be around about 26.5. But I absolutely think that we're going to giddy on up back above the $29,000 level pretty shortly, guys. We could see that we could be range bound probably between around about 29,000 and 26.5, and we could be range bound in the next couple of days. I don't think we're going to go that low, guys. My absolute crazy bottom for Bitcoin right now is around about 21,000. I'm going to be showing you some on-chain data that shows that we're going to be reversing back to the upside. In the next 7 days, you will be surprised and you will be sad that you didn't panic out of the market. And I can see that in the comments. A lot of the newbies are wetting their bed. I have been through this whole, rinse and repeat, bear cycle, bull cycle, rinse and repeat, accumulation, capitulation, and it's nothing new. It's absolutely nothing new for me, and that's why I'm just buying the dips, doing a little bit of rebalancing. I had some coins that were in profit, so I got rid of those. I sold most of them, moved them into ADA, Ethereum, and Bitcoin. So as the old coins start to die out, it's a good time to take some profits and reallocate them back into Ethereum and Bitcoin out there. So I've about 50% of my portfolio right now is in itty bitty baby, guys. So I wouldn't be. I'm not happy. I'm looking at my portfolio. My portfolio is not doing pretty good from that perspective. But, overall, I've seen this rinse and repeat happen time and time again. And right now we're seeing that, my itty bitty baby, it's still at 28,755. But we're still being supported inside my blue box zone, guys. So that is not bad. You can still see here that the itty bitty baby is still in our blue box zone, and that is a low around about 28.78. So from my perspective, I think that the lowest that we could go is around about 26.5. From that perspective, in the interim, the absolute bottom, the absolute maximum capitulation, end of the world, Armageddon for Bitcoin for me is around about $21,000, and that's a minor capitulation line. If we start to get anywhere below 25,000, 24,000, 23,000 area, there's absolutely a chance that the miners could start selling. But if I look at the hash rate right now for Bitcoin miners, the hash rate is still going up like crazy, guys. So from that perspective, I'm not panicking, guys. And you can see it here. If we go up, we can see the hash rate local Bitcoin. Let's take a look at the hash rate live right now, guys. I ain't kidding here. So let's get it, guys. So if we take a look at all the indicators right here, let's take a look at the charts, and we can see the mining Bitcoin hash hash rate right here. There, let's pull that up. So right now you can see that the overall Bitcoin hash rate, it's still going up, guys, and we're hitting new all-time highs with the hash rate. So that is why I'm still convinced that things are looking not too bad out there, guys and gals. So from that perspective, we're seeing that the Bitcoin dominance is insane right now. It's at 48. I think we're probably going to hit 50, but when we hit 50, you're going to start to see that Bitcoin is going to have a power up, guys. It's going to like Superman is going to power up, guys, and it's definitely going to be getting there very soon, guys. So this just in, Dubai-based 5 hotels and resorts will accept Bitcoin and Ethereum as payment. So this is bullish, guys. This is still very, very bullish. So this is good news, guys. Absolutely good news. We also have AMX that they're going to be giving, cash back, but in cryptocurrency, we're talking about the whole tie-up with Abra out there with AMX. So that is pretty good. This is coming in from Kevin Swanson in-house, and what he's saying is that Bitcoin's macro trend situation still looks good. If you're looking at this from a trend growth perspective, we are still making progress, guys. So if you look at this trend progress, this is Bitcoin here, and it goes all the way back to 2018. We still have this trend line that's running all the way up here, and from that perspective, we're still looking better. This is the top of 69,000. We're coming all the way down. We could, could we come down all the way down to this level? Maybe we could, but I still think that the low of lows for Bitcoin this cycle is 21,000. I don't think we're going to go much lower than that in the house, guys. So, overall, if you zoom out, you can still see that the overall trend of Bitcoin is still going up. Sure, there's going to be peaks, there's going to be valleys, there's going to be volatility, but, in time, Bitcoin will absolutely be going up, guys. So, right now it doesn't feel like it from that perspective, but, overall, we can see that, this is a 200-day moving average. We can see that Bitcoin is still respecting the 200-day moving average, and every time we hit this 200-day moving average here, we often get a bounce to the upside. We had one here, bounce to the upside. It came down, bounce to the upside. It's coming back down, and we may even go lower, guys. We may even go lower, as I said, to 25, 26.5, and that is going to put us in touch with that 200-day moving average, and that is going to be looking fine. We should bounce from there. So I'm not too concerned out there. I'm absolutely not too concerned. So Ethereum weekly RSI entering oversold area for the first time since 2018. Even though the price of Ethereum is tanking right now, and Ethereum is trading at 1567, and we haven't seen these lows for a very long time. The last time we saw these lows on Ethereum was way back here. So back here in 28th of March 2021 is the last time we saw Ethereum at these lows. So that's a long time ago, but we can still see that right here, the RSI for Ethereum is oversold, and every time Ethereum hits an oversold, we often get a reversal and a bounce to the upside. So this could be your last chance to buy Ethereum in this area before a relief rally. And I think that we're going to see a relief rally for Bitcoin, for Ethereum, for a lot of the top altcoin projects and Dogecoin. We're definitely going to be seeing a relief rally coming in soon. It doesn't feel like it right now, but we're definitely going to be seeing a relief rally pretty soon, guys, from that perspective. So I'm seeing, I'm pretty bullish right now on that. And we're seeing that, if we look at the Fed funds futures fund contract has jumped a full 100 BPS in the 3 days, to 3%, where it had been pricing the terminate rate for October. So this is a crazy swing. So from that perspective, guys, I think that a relief rally is definitely coming in. It's just a matter of time, titty time, guys. So don't panic out there. We're seeing right now, if we take a look at the SPX went down about 5.67%. As I said, Bitcoin has gone down almost the same amount right now. So I think that we're going to see a relief rally coming in pretty soon, guys. So if you look at the DXY, the DXY is much too high, and this is also creating downward selling pressure on the Biddy, and that's why Biddy is down and the whole crypto market is down. And a lot of it has to do with this whole inflation rate, the 8.6 that came in. It kind of scared the market. There was a huge tech stock sell-off, and what happens is now everybody's thinking, well, geez, the Fed's going to increase the rates to 7.5 basis points instead of 50. So it just takes the psychology of the market. It's going to wash out by Monday or Tuesday. Things will start to normalize. Things will kind of harmonize, and we'll have a relief rally, absolute relief rally coming in, guys. So this is also coming in right now as well.
Sorry, could you say that again?
This is also coming in right now. We're seeing Ethereum crashes 10% on merge delay. Is $1,200 in sight. So we did have the merge has been delayed. So it looks like, according to data from CoinMarketCap, the second largest cryptocurrency has crashed over 10% to 1588. That's about where we are right now. It's lowest since March 2021. The token is now trading down about 56% this year and has fared far worse than the bigger peer Bitcoin. But that's often what happens when Bitcoin goes down. You're absolutely going to see that Ethereum is going to bleed out much faster because we're seeing that the Bitcoin dominance is too high, and we're seeing more and more liquidity flowing out of Ethereum, flowing out of altcoins, and flowing back into Bitcoin, guys. So from that perspective, so Ethereum's latest losses was triggered by several factors: delay in planned difficulty bomb, which is intended to eventually phase out mining on the chain, is the most recent source of downside pressure. So basically, we had this whole merge has been delayed a little bit, and also it looks like despite successful deployment of the merge on the Rapidson testnet this week, Ethereum developers decided to delay the planned difficulty bomb. This move potentially pushes back the planned phasing out of mining and raises concerns over the delay of the merge. So we could see a little bit of delay, and it also cast doubt on the forecast by founder Vitalik that he said the merge could occur by August, guys. So if that's going to happen, it looks like we're going to have a little bit of delay. So we've got the inflation percentage that's created downward pressure, that created a tech stock, the tech stock sell-off, and now we've got the merge delay as well. So that is why we're seeing that Ethereum is tanking a lot faster than other cryptos out there. From that perspective, more than half of wealthy Asian investors held crypto in Q1 2022. So we're still seeing that crypto Bitcoin has become part of the mainstream wealthy investors' portfolios. If you look at the some of the top millionaires in the U.S. and you ask them, "Are you holding crypto?" You'll find that the majority, more than 75%, are holding crypto. If you talk to Asians who are wealthy, have more than $1 million, you'll find that more than 80% are absolutely holding crypto. So crypto's here to stay, even though it doesn't feel like it, even though you guys think it's RIP crypto and we're going down and it's over, guys. This is just volatility is a price of admission for you guys to get into crypto. And if you can't stand the volatility, then you need to sell, get out, and go watch paint dry. Remember, crypto is for men, not for children, guys. You've got to absolutely have diamond hands. You've got to have the gumption, the fortitude, and the moxie. You've got to have the moxie out there to hold and weather the storms, guys. A relief rally will absolutely be coming in soon, guys. So this is also coming in. Looks like BlockFi hires a lobbyist to streamline talks with policymakers. So looks like BlockFi, they're hiring a whole legal team to work with policymakers to, we had this whole cryptocurrency bill by Cynthia that's been delayed. It's been sent back for revisions. So it looks like BlockFi is hiring, a whole team of lawyers to work with policymakers to make sure that we have crypto-friendly inclusions in that bill. So that is going to be pretty good, and that's pretty positive out there. So this is also coming in. Looks like 230 Ethereum positions liquidated in a day as Ethereum plunges below 1.6. So we did see a whole bunch of liquidations out there. The leverage apes, they just never learned. And, if we take a look at the leverage apes right now, let me just give this a minty refresh in the house. So right now we're seeing a whole ton of liquidation. We're seeing $347 million worth of liquidation. If you look at the last 24 hours in terms of liquidations, we're seeing that the majority of the liquidations are Ethereum. So people are being liquidated like crazy. We're seeing in the last 1 hour, it's mainly longs, and we're seeing a lot of longs are getting liquidated, and that is not helping the price of Bitcoin either, guys and gals. So from that perspective, things are not looking good. Things are absolutely not good, and it looks like EU said it will be nearing agreement on its crypto regulation and bill. So we'll have to wait and see if that's going to create some more FUD that's going to drive the markets down, guys. So guys, stop panicking out there. So right now, for the price of Dogecoin, we're seeing Dogecoin right now is at 7 cents. I believe that it's probably going to break down to about 6.5. It could go as low as 6.5 in the next 24 hours. Sorry, my throat's sore. That's why I'm a little bit tongue-tied. I apologize, guys. OG's tongue-tied. So once again, Ethereum It's at 1564, but for me, my bottom is at 1200, so I'm not too panicky out there. So for ADA right now, ADA is also going down, and right now it's at 57 cents. But we did go as low on ADA around 55.9. So we're coming back up again, and I think we're going to see a little bit of a sweet reversal. And I think that by next week, we're going to have a huge relief rally in-house. So if we take a look at the total market cap, it's still plunging. It's 1.19 about 2 hours ago. Is now 1.17. OMG, what the WTF is going on? Guys, this is normal. It's volatility. It's a reaction because of the interest rates. There's this whole tech sell-off. It's created fear. It's creating FUD. And remember, I did tell you that the whales are going to create these hunter wicks. They're going to create liquidation, cascading actions that's going to create a cascading downward pressure on Bitcoin, on Ethereum, and other coins, and that's going to bring the price down so they can scoop in and buy the dippity dips, guys. I still think that we're close to the bottom, if we have not reached the bottom, and we're going to have a relief rally coming soon, guys. So let's take a look at the carnage, the absolute carnage in the house right now. So we're seeing right now that Bitcoin is down 2.6%. We're seeing that Ethereum is getting slaughtered. A lot of that is, of course, Bitcoin is down and the merge failure out there, the merge delay out there, guys. We're also seeing that BNB is down 4.78%. We're seeing ADA is down 3.68%. We're seeing Solana is down 7%. Doge Warrior is down almost 7%. So it's total nightmare. It's total bedlam. It's total Armageddon. It's crypto Armageddon out there, guys. So don't panic. I'm not panicking. I'm kind of just laughing because I've seen this before, and I can just imagine that a lot of my community out there, especially newbies, you guys are squirming like ripping your skin off because you don't know what's happening, guys. Everything will be fine. Everything will be peachy keen. There will be a relief rally, and we'll get back up to 29,000. And, remember, guys, if you look at Bitcoin, we were here before. The last time we were here at this price was the 29th of May. So we were here before on the 29th. We were here before on the 26th of May. We were here on the 24th of May. We've been here many, many times. So do not panic, guys. Do not panic. This is just, rinse and repeat, rinse and repeat. Whales are having fun. Ignore the FUD. We're definitely going to be going uppity up, guys. So from that perspective, guys, do not forget to follow me on Twitter. Follow, guys. Let's see if we can get this up to 5,000. Boot the likes, smash the likes, and don't forget to give super chats. If you want to, go down there, check out the links, get the links. You want the links, buy the channel on coffee, become a Patreon member, check out the NFT collection, guys. And one final thing, guys and gals, don't forget to go and get the merch, guys. Check the merch. We got hats, we got hoodies, all sorts of stuff, guys. So I just want to say, God bless you all, guys. Stop panicking. I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.
You